2016 FE501S is now completely disassembled. I got it down to the bare frame. Subframe is here with all the wiring. I tried not to remove as much of that as I could. Motor's out, coolant system is out. The swing arm and rear shock is over there. That will be sent out and revalved. I got the brake set up here. This is all gonna be replaced very soon. I have front suspension, triple trees, and I actually have a couple of the new parts that I already got. I'll be talking a little bit more about that in another video. So the next steps are gonna be taking this to get powder coated. I have to do a couple more things for prep, but for the most part, it's done. I just gotta make sure I label these bolts and whatnot properly so that I know how to put this thing back together. The other thing I did, which you saw at the beginning of the video, is I redid the leak down test. If you watched my last video, you'll know that I used an OTC leak down tester and read less than 1% leakage, which I knew couldn't be right. So then I ordered a Motion Pro. I used that, and in the beginning of this video, you saw I got just around, I think it was 2 or 3%. I can't remember off the top of my head, which is actually really good. So the engine is not gonna be disassembled at all. I'm basically gonna keep it as is. I might pull off the side cover just to inspect the clutch and make sure everything looks good, but thankfully there won't be anything that needs to be done seriously with the motor. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. In the next one, I'm gonna be unboxing a lot of the new parts I have and hopefully getting the frame back from powder coat. I'll document that whole process and what's involved. So hit that subscribe button, share a comment, let me know what you thought, and I'll see you in the next one.